In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize a Wix Groups app on your website, helping you create an engaging community hub. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open the Wix editor for your website. It's here that we'll make all the necessary adjustments and additions to enhance your site. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left side. You'll see a variety of icons that serve different functions. The one we're interested in today is the App Market icon. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the App Market, you can see an array of apps that can be integrated into your site. In the search bar, type in Wix Groups. This application is going to be the backbone of your new community hub. Once you've found it, click Add to Site. This step will initiate the installation process for the Wix Groups app. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice a new Groups page appears within your editor. Next, it's time to head over to the site's dashboard and select Groups. This is where you get to personalize and customize your new community hub to suit your needs and those of your audience. By clicking on the Settings tab, you'll access the app's customization options. It's here that you can choose what best represents your community, selecting between layouts like cards or classic. You'll also have the ability to manage permissions, ensuring only the right people have access, and set up member profiles, creating a welcoming environment where users can interact with ease. With the foundational pieces in place, navigate to the Groups dashboard. Look for the Categories tab next, as this is where the organization of your community discussion topics happens. Click on Add Category, and here you'll have the chance to create a vibrant new discussion topic for your forum. Give it a name that captures the essence of what the discussion will cover. You can enhance the appeal by adding a description and a header image that really pops. Don't forget to customize the permissions for each category to maintain control over who can view and participate in the discussions. Feel free to add as many categories as necessary. This will help you to systematically organize your community's topics and make it easy for members to locate discussions that interest them most. Once you're satisfied with the setup of your categories and the customization of your forum's appearance, the next step is to save your changes. This ensures all your hard work and careful planning are preserved. Finally, head back to the Wix editor and click the Publish button. When you do this, your new forum will be live on your website, ready to welcome and engage with your community members. And there you have it. With a few steps and some creativity, you've successfully set up a dynamic forum using Wix Groups that will serve as a lively new hub for your online community. Happy connecting!